Okay, so here we are at the outside, and I want to show you this video. Oh my gosh, that this landscaper came up with to do this, because we want to add a fire bar up there. These red bushes, oh gosh, for the life of me, why can't I think of what they're called? Anyway, they're amazing. They're so beautiful, but they shed really bad, and being right by the pool is not a good thing. So we're getting rid of those and putting some lower hedge things in. We don't want to ruin our view or ruin any of that. And then some of these bushes right here, those are great, but we're gonna, make sure they're all along there. It looks like most of them are actually. We're gonna fill in, I think, where they're missing. But anyways, you'll see the video of what is going to change. And this is a kit, so that I've got a million people who wanna buy that. But we will put a new beautiful thing and you'll get to see. But all these things, I forgot what these little things are called. I forgot what they're called. But anyways, those are all being removed. So these are gonna be squared out because these shades have to come inside. A real one shade goes all the way inside the track, corner to corner, all the way around and drops to the floor. So you really can have warmth in here. Plus we're closing off this one. We're closing off that one because we're gonna add a fireplace here. And these also are going to be squared off so that we can have shades there. So look at this video now, the before, and then you're gonna see the view of after. See, even this little putting green is gonna go away. I mean, they're cute, but really the reality is we're not gonna use it. And then over here, this bocce ball place is going away because, again, it's not the right size for a bocce ball anyway. And we're gonna put some really pretty flower pot things here. So you'll see a view of it and you can compare the before and after. Although this isn't the after yet, we haven't done it yet, but we'll show you what it looks like from the designer's perspective, and it's gonna be really cool.